Hello everyone, marhaba. I am Dr. Jorge Pulgarin. I am a specialist in functional medicine. اسمي Jorge أنا طبيب متخصص في الطب الوظيفي. And today I'm going to teach you what happens with the food that we eat as fuel for our bodies. Stay with me.
The human body interacts constantly with the environment and it bears the capacity to adapt to the changes around it. To do this, we need to produce energy to do the tasks in every organ system where the human cells have diverse functions according to each tissue. We are made of thousands of cells, and each and every one have many different organelles, but the one of interest in this moment is called the mitochondria. This marvelous organelle is the place where we take all of the nutrients that can be obtained from the carbohydrates, proteins, and lipids to produce energy. However, we can only use either carbs or protein and fat, but not both at the same time. When the amount of ingested carbs produces levels of blood glucose above 120, this sends a signal to stimulate our pancreas to secrete a hormone called insulin. Once in the bloodstream, it goes to different tissues, but the net initial effect is to use glucose from carbs as energy source and the storage of proteins and fats to be used later. The problem is that the cells can take all of the sugar that we eat, and if we eat more carbs than we use as energy, once the threshold is reached, the excess carbs are also stored as fat. This can be a cause of obesity and metabolic disorders such as diabetes and hypertension, among others. Now, if the amount of blood glucose is below 120, this sends an opposite signal to our pancreas, which will release instead of insulin another hormone called glucagon that has the opposite effect, producing glucose out from the stored fat, and also led us to use some amino acids in proteins but mainly fat as a source of energy. This condition, if sustained, can make the body to lose the excess weight stored as fat in the adipose tissue. If you like this content, give me a like and follow me. Thank you. Shukran lak.